In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a phone number to your account on X. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to add a phone number on X, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Click on your profile. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Your Account. Select Account Information. Look for the option to add your phone number. Enter your phone number in the provided field. That's it. You've successfully added a phone number to your account on X. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.